Back bends can be scary. And I know this because I used to be so scared of back bends. So I want to share with you my tips and my secrets for non-scary back bends. I'm Nora Day. So here we go. Let's do Ustrasana, which is camel pose. So in camel pose, you come up to your knees, and I like to tuck my toes. This is harder with the tops of your feet. To make it a little easier and less scary, tuck your toes. Another way to make it less scary is to support yourself. Press in on your back. My fingers face up. Press in on your back, so I'm pressing my thighs forward, and it's my hands doing a lot of the work, not my back, my hands pressing in. So I can sit here and do little pumps, and it's not so scary. And believe it or not, you're already in a back bend. So all you need to do is release one hand, release the other hand, find your legs, find your ankles, lean it forward. If that's too much for you, come back and press. You can drop your head if you're more comfortable. Press. Come on up and take a break. We're going to do that one more time with a little bit of a variation. Come on up. One more time, fingers face up. Press your hands in, hump. Wow, I'm working my thighs. You got to work your thighs in these back bends. Pumping up, pumping forward, release one hand, release the other hand. Press those thighs forward, drop your head if you are comfortable. Bring your hands into prayer. Hump. I'm easing into this. This is great. You're safe, you're comfortable. Come on up. Taking a tiny break. We got one more. Stay with me. Come on up, tops of the feet. It's a little bit harder, but by now it's not that much harder for you. Same approach. Fingers up. Press in, press your thighs forward. If you need some pumps here, take your pumps. It's all good. Take one hand back. It's a little lower, not that much lower. Press your thighs forward. Lift your heart center up to the sky. Lift, lift, lift. Drop your head. Palms to heart. Hump. Come on up. To release your back, you can fold forward, take a break. Take an inhale and an exhale. Take one more inhale, exhale. To me, back bends aren't scary anymore because I use my legs, I use my hands pressing in, and I relax in my back, relax in my front center. Let the other parts of your body work more than your back in a back bend. I hope this little tip and secret has helped.